Hello students. So today we are going to start with accommodation in Belgium. We studied about majoritarianism in Sri Lanka. Now we are going to discuss about accommodation in Belgium. The Belgian leaders took a different path. They recognized the existence of regional differences and cultural diversities. Between 1970 and 1993, they amended the constitution 4 times so as to work out an arrangement that would enable everyone to live together within the same country. So in a span of 23 years, they made amendments to the constitution 4 times to just ensure that people of different culture, different background, different caste and religion can stay together. And the arrangement they worked out is different from any other country and is very innovative. Here are some of the elements of the Belgian model. Constitution prescribes that member of Dutch and French speaking ministers should be equal in the central government. Some special laws requires that the support of majority of members from each linguistic group. So the number of Dutch speaking and French speaking people in the central government should be equal, and some also special laws also require for the support of majority of members from each linguistic group. Thus no single community can make decisions unilaterally. So now the decision does not lies upon a single hand, single person or single group. Many powers of the central government have been given to the state government of the two regions of the country. So most of the division of the powers, as I told you, most of the powers of the central government is bypassed to the state government of the two regions of the country. The state governments are not subordinate of the central government. Brussels has a separate government in which both the communities have equal representation. The French-speaking people accepted equal representation in Brussels because the Dutch-speaking community has accepted equal representation in the central government. So Brussels has a separate government in which both the communities have equal representation. The French-speaking people accepted equal representation in Brussels, and also the Dutch-speaking community also accepted equal cooperation representation in the central government. Apart from the central and the state government, there is a third kind of government. This community government is elected by people belonging to one language community, Dutch, French and German speaking, no matter where they live. This government has the power regarding cultural, educational and language related issue. So apart from the central and the state, there is a third kind of government. This is known as the community government, is elected by French, Dutch and German speaking people. So you might find the Belgian model very complicated. It indeed is very complicated even for people living in Belgium. But these arrangements have worked well so far. They help to avoid civic strife between the two major communities and a possible division of the country on linguistic lines. When many countries of Europe came together to form the European Union, Brussels was chosen as its headquarter. So the headquarter of European Union is in Brussels. So in the next class, we'll study about the learnings that we have taken from both the cases. Thank you.